Pack yourself a toothbrush deal. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out. I was not born to drown. Baby, come on. Forget what Father Brennan said. We were not born in sin.
Here we are.
Yeah, hidey hole there, neighbor.
You gonna put your socks on or something like
My
Fred.
socks.
Fred?
Fred.
Never mind.
Yeah, sometimes we don't really know what we're saying to each other.
No, Mr. Rogers.
Oh, yeah, no, he put his sweater on.
Oh,
Yeah.
he sat down and put shoes on.
Oh, did he? Slippers.
Slippers, okay.
So that's the illusion that I was supposed to have picked up on right away. Put your socks on. Anyway, hey, it's us. It's Brent and Amy Powell. We're real estate big time. Let me add that. Come on.
No.
Big time, well, just real estate brokers in the North Olympic Peninsula. We love helping people sell their homes, and we really love, and especially Amy is like a detective, finding the perfect home for people that are wanting to move here. So, you want to tell them what we do every week?
Every week, we go through the homes that have sold this week in Port Angeles and Sequim, and we tell you about each of the houses so you can get an idea of the market, if things are going over, under, asking, what condition. Hopefully it will help you when you are ready to buy up here.
Yeah.
Or sell, if you want to have something to sell.
So it's raining a lot outside, and we have two rainy seasons here, in spite of what people say. It's the fall and the spring. So over the winter, it doesn't rain a lot, and over the summer, it normally does not rain a lot. It does vary a lot from season to season. Sometimes we'll get a mild season. We've had some winters that have not frozen at all winter. And then some winters we've had a couple of feet of snow. Those are pretty rare, but it's all over the place pretty much. So good variety.
Thankfully, in the summer, we are almost praying for rain because we have to water, and it's nice. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
Weather is.
So update on us, not that you'd be interested, but
You're going to tell them anyway.
so I had a foot surgery about a month ago.
Show them your cast.
Okay, there we go. So anyway, I 6 weeks walking around in a knee scooter, which is a pain in the knee, and other places. But anyway, so halfway through that, looking forward to. Well, actually, by the end of this week, I'll have 2 weeks to go. So that's good news. Our little house out behind us that we've been working on is 2 weeks away from being completed, and that'll be good news as well.
Mama's hoping here.
Yeah. So chickens are still pumping out eggs, and that's a wonderful thing. Oh yeah.
And the opening was Logan, Elaine, and Haley and dogs, multiples, camped out at Salt Creek, and it was. We visited.
Yeah.
They went one night. It didn't get freezing, so they were good.
Yeah, and just a wonderful thing about this area that we think is the best in the country is that you're just basically half an hour from everything. You can do fly fishing on the Solduck River, about a half an hour. You can do camping on the beach, actually not on the beach, but a campground at the beach, like Salt Creek, which is just incredible. And there's several parks right on the water. Or you can do some climbing up in the mountains and windsurfing in the harbor. It's just pretty exciting. And one thing about the camping, there's old people camping that's like us, where you can drive your vehicle right there and unload your 4-inch blow-up mattress. Yeah, then
That's a big 4-inch.
Yeah, well, 4-inch. And then Logan style camping, which you hiked about 10 miles up into the atmosphere. So anyway, let's get going. We're going to start in Port Angeles. We started at the lesser expensive homes and move to the more expensive, and we'll do Port Angeles first and then go directly to Sequim.
And there were 17 homes that closed this week.
Yeah.
So, starting in Port Angeles on West 10th Street, this was a little fixer. Originally at $179, it sold at $185. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and 4 days on the market. So somebody's got plans for that one. Built in 1951 with 1,064 square feet on 0.26 of an acre with a territorial view.
Okay, the next one is on C Street Extension, which is a little south of here in West.
Just around the corner from Jared.
Yeah, we sold a house just right down the street there. Anyway, originally priced at $270,000, sold for $337,000 above asking. And it's got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 day on the market, built in 1991 with 1,619 square feet. And they do have a mountain view there. It's on a 1.16 of an acre.
Great. House number 3. I don't know why my voice cracked there. On East 8th Street, listed for $455, and that's what it sold for. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 6 days on the market. Built in 1987 with 1,604 square feet on 0.24 of an acre and a saltwater view.
All right, and then Seabreeze Place. Is that the one up by... oh, we've got the whole clan here now. Haley and her entourage. That's
You'll
right.
see little glimpses of blonde blur.
Yeah. Is this one up by Sequim?
Seabreeze?
Yeah.
No.
Where's
It's off
this one?
N Street.
Oh, off N Street. Okay. I'm guessing it's close to the ocean, and it is. So originally priced at $474,950. I say ocean, it's really the Strait of Juan de Fuca.
It's not even close.
It's not even close. I don't know. She knows it. So originally priced at $474,950.
It's the guy's house.
The guy.
Emmanuel.
Oh, I know where that is. Yeah.
Yes, I know you know.
Right.
Not close to the water.
That's right. It's just you can smell the water from there. How about that? Okay, it sold finally for $488,000. That's $13,000 above asking. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. And,
I thought you already read that one.
No, I maybe did. 20 days on the market, built in 1979 with
geez.
1,758 square feet on 0.26 of an acre, just a little more than a quarter of an acre. So it's a nice spot.
Moving right along. Another one on East 8th Street. This one listed at $530, and that's what it sold for. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 0 days on the market. So somebody wanted that. Built in 1959 with 2,400 square feet on 0.18 of an acre and a saltwater view.
Okay, now moving
I feel like there's people moving around and kids and dogs. And
yeah, that's okay. That's our life here. So the next one is in Sequim.
yeah, we've
Sequim
finished Port Angeles.
Sequim is about 15 miles east, about 15 to 20 minutes drive, depending on which side of PA, which side of Sequim you're going to. So this one is in Parkwood Boulevard, and originally priced at $179,000, sold at $49,000 left. Is that right?
44.
$44,000 left. Yeah, less at $135. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. 170 days on the market, built in 1984, and has 1,188 square feet and 0 acres. That means it's leased land, and this is a park that's just right across from Sunny Farms.
Yep. Okay, house number 2 in Sequim is on J. Robinson Road. What can I say? There are weird names around here. I don't know who Jay was. Originally listed for $475, it sold for $325. 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, 130 days on the market. Built in 1976 with 906. That was Winnie. 960 square feet on 9.55 acres with a territorial view.
Okay, another similar home. It's on this one on Rock Rose Avenue, and priced at $344,500. Sold at asking. That's always
Well,
good.
the difference is the 9.5 acres.
Yeah. And so this one has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 186 days on the market. Gosh, a little more days for both of these. and built in 2022, close to brand new, 1,188 square feet, and once again on leased land. And they have a mountain view in Sequim.
Moving along, house number 4, I think, in Sequim is on West Evergreen Farm Way. Originally listed for $375, it sold for $372,077. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 10 days on the market. Built in 2019 with 1,336 square feet on leased land. It's manufactured and a mountain view.
Okay, very nice. And the next one is on Fairway Drive. This is a very nice development around a, you guessed it, golf course, a little north of downtown Sequim. Originally priced for $509,000 and sold for $485,000, 24 under asking. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 89 days on the market, built in 1990 with 1,831 square feet, 0 acres. That means it's leased.
Condo
Condominium.
townhouse.
Yeah, townhouse. Usually they're pretty nice homes out there. So they have a view of the golf course.
And it's near one of the restaurants we like, Stymie's.
Oh yeah.
Okay, moving along. This was on North Knapman.
Yeah.
Knapman. Listed for $499. It sold for $492. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 9 days on the market. Built in 1986 with 1,622 square feet on 0.24 of an acre and a neighborhood view.
Okay. Smithfield Drive.
I don't know where that is.
We don't know where that one is. Original price was $495,000, sold at asking. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 20 days on the market, built in 2004. And it has 1,410 square feet, 1/3 of an acre, and with a mountain view in Sequim.
Very good. The next place in Sequim is on Turner Place. Originally listed at $699,900. The sold price was $525. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 115 days on the market. Built in 2023 with 1,512 square feet on an acre with a mountain view.
Okay. Bolster Avenue. Originally priced for $679,950. Sold for, well, $90,000 under. Usually that means there's a whole bunch of days on the market. And yes, sirree, 263. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, built in 2023, brand new. Gosh, that was a tough one. Usually the brand new ones, they know what they need to get for it, so this guy might have taken a loss. Built in with 1,765 square feet and just a little over half an acre with a mountain view.
The next house is on Crestline Drive in Sequim. It is listed at $625, and that's what it's sold at. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 19 days on the market. Built in 2022 with 1,873 square feet on 0.42 of an acre and a neighborhood view.
Okay, Doe Place. Originally priced for $750,000, sold for $755,000, 5 over. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 9 days on the market, built in 2011, and it has 1,968 square feet. The year I graduated from high school. Ta-da! I know, who cares? But anyway, I remember that year. It has 0.71 of an acre, which is a nice sized lot and territorial view. Okay, honey, you ready to bring it home?
You're bringing it home on Moonlight Drive. I don't have a song for that.
Good.
1,999,950 was the asking price, and it sold for $1,032,500. $67,450 less.
Yeah.
4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 12 days on the market. Built in 1995 with 3,478 square feet
Boy, big place.
on 2 1/3 acres and a saltwater view.
Yeah.
So that wraps it up.
That wraps it up. So Usually, go ahead.
I was thinking, we really don't have anything more to report about the changes with the NAR settlement, but we will. We have a class we're going to, and they're working on getting out the forms and letting it settle out how we're going to handle everything. So we'll keep you posted as more develops.
Yeah, we don't really expect a huge change, except that it really does open it up more to the free market dynamic. So I think there's some benefit for everybody.
Well,
to
it will be a hassle for the agent.
It'll be a hassle for everybody, but everything else is anyway, so why worry? So anyway, we'll let you know on that. Washington State has been preparing for this. These lawsuits have been active for right around 2 years, and so along the progress of the different lawsuits, and there's been a bunch of them, we've had our lawyer who represents the realtors in Washington State giving workshops. They've changed the paperwork, so there will be a slight change in our paperwork, but not huge.
Yeah, we'll walk you through when you come to buy.
Yeah. So, I think everybody is wondering, well, what's the market going to do? We don't know. We know what we hope it will do. We hope that interest rates will be bumped down, and many times in the year of election that does happen. And so it's already happened a little bit. It kind of peaked a while ago, and the rates are gradually dropping down. So that would be the good news. It looks like the market is loosening up a little bit on supply. We had, 17 homes today? Mm-hmm. And just a quick differentiation between the Sequim area and Port Angeles area. Most of the homes in Sequim, the average build year is probably like 1965. Where the average build year, and we've not done the numbers, it might be interesting to do, but for Port Angeles it's more like 1930. So homes are older here, and they tend to be clumped in town because we don't have all that outside area like Sequim does. So Sequim has nicer homes, newer homes with often more acreage, and so that means the prices in Port Angeles will be slightly better. One little note that we do mention every now and then is that the pictures that Logan puts in there are from the county. And so the county does not reappraise new pictures for like every 3 or 4 years. And most of the homes when they are finally sold, have been updated and fixed up. So they actually look a lot better, especially in Port Angeles. So sometimes you think they're asking how much for that place? Well, it looks better. So we can't use the other photos unless we went on and took them ourselves. But the county folders are public domain, so we can use those. So anyway, final word?
Goodbye.
Have a great week. We'll see you in another week.